What's good, man? Welcome back to Joe Rich Trades and Stocks, and today I'm gonna be spilling some game on some high probability setups that y'all could implement in y'all trading strategies to be able to bankroll like me and the Discord did this week, man. I'm also gonna be telling y'all what to look out for from NVIDIA and Apple in this upcoming week, and maybe one other of my favorite plays. So y'all gonna want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, man. Get this video a big old thumbs up so we keep spilling the game on y'all. You feel me? Now, before we get into the free game on the high probability setups, man, and let y'all know what we did today, I want to give a shout out to the Discord, man, for being active and paying attention this week. You feel what I'm saying? I had people in there talking who ain't never spoke up before, so I'm glad everybody is getting on this free tape that they keep printing every day.